Let's go to the secular signs. Not so. Circles what? They warn you na warn am. And I took I one in neighbor house now. You fit talk for say, me man no touch the remote control for the house, or move na use the remote control. Either you do or you don't. Not so. So prohibitions and obligations. When it is in a red circle, it is what? A prohibition. What you should not do. Right? Don't. Everything in a red circle starts, the sentence starts with no. Where you just see no. If you see no, then draw some man for inside. It means say me no man no cover that place no. If you see no, they put 80. It means say me you no drive past 80. If they say no, put Okada for inside. It means say no Okada for that zone no. That's so the red one. Then there are two of them. There's the other one that is blue shaped like this. The background is totally blue, but still a circle. This one now is what? An obligation. What you must do. For example, in this case, this is 30. It means the minimum speed allowed is 30. Don't drive below 30. You have to drive at 30 and above. But if it's red, it tells you don't drive above 30. Are you getting the difference now? Yes. So we'll get there. Let's start here. For example, say it's what? No entry, no parking. You can see this one without the line, right? The P, normally, anything P stands for parking, right? So if you come and see a blue shaped with the P inside, it means what? It means parking. Yes, this is reserved for parking. When you see a circle, let's forget about this line there. Just the P inside already. It's telling you what? No parking. If you see the red circle with just one line across without the P inside, it still tells you what? No parking. Then, now, no parking, no stopping. No parking, no stopping. Because there's a difference between parking and stopping. Are we there? Parking is the permanent immobilization of a vehicle, not to which the driver leaves the scene, and if something happens, they will not find the driver. That is parking. That's a permanent situation you've left there. But now, stopping, the difference between stopping is a temporal immobilization of a vehicle, which the driver is present. Not so. So you can stop and drop people here. For the fact that you saw the no parking doesn't mean you cannot stop there. You can stop, drop something, pick up something, offload or unload or offload your vehicle. Not so. And you can park, you can stop here and stay in your vehicle or beside your vehicle because you have not parked. You are beside. If need be, you move the vehicle away. Not so. For example, Commercial Avenue, you are aware of that. Not so. At Commercial Avenue, if you come and stand, you can stand there for 5 hours. Nobody will do anything to you as long as you are in the car or by the car. You can park the car and lean on the car like this, right? Order your fufu chop. That is not parking. That is stopping because you are available to move the car if need be. Not so. But now, when you leave the scene, that is what? Parking. Good. So this one says no stopping, no parking. You are not even allowed to even stop to drop somebody in a zone where you have the X. Not so. But you can stop and drop somebody or pick up a friend standing in front of the board. Your friend can stand there and you come and stop and carry him and go because you have not parked. Does it make any sense? Okay, good. No Okada now. It's very simple. The whole thing is no. Now, no goods. This is no what? I told you that this and a line simply says no parking. Right? Like this one now. But now they are emphasizing on a particular category of vehicle. Meaning if you come with a small car, you don't have this problem. Not so. This is no parking for goods vehicles only. As long as you are not driving a goods vehicle, it is not applicable to you. Right? Good. But this one is for everybody. Goods vehicle included. But when they want to specify only for good vehicles, it turns like this. Not so. We have what? No U-turn, no left turn, no pedestrians, no motor vehicles. Anything with an engine. Right? This one is very interesting as well, right? So, if you are coming and you see this, what are you going to say? There's nothing in the circle. He's saying that one. Just try to imagine. Use your best ability to think. Since the circle is no, then now no to what? They have not said anything. What do we drive? Cars, not so. What I call what? Motor vehicles. Things that are moved with an engine, not so. And this sign is talking only to people with engines or pedestrians, not so. It means nothing. They no one catch whether now that or anything. They no one just year na year self. That means no need to even explain to be drawing things there. They just tell you no flat, right? This is no entry to all motor, anything that has an engine, right? If they want to talk to the pedestrian, they will draw the pedestrian and say, "What? No pedestrians." Not so. Yes. No. They are specifically talking about bikes and cars. Not so good. For this one, since we said they are what? Mandatory signs. Yes, you must do. So if you are coming, you see 30, 80, because on some highways, you will see there 80. You can never drive below 80. Running at 80 is already high speed. But they are telling you not to try to drive below 80 because when you see speed limits, the red one, you see there 110 kilometers per hour. They are telling you that you can drive from 110 and you are going. Not to allow on motorways or highways. So when you see this, they are telling you that what? It's a shared route for cyclists and pedestrians, which is mandatory. They say it's a mandatory route for cyclists and pedestrians. Meaning, if you go off that route, whatever happens to you is of no concern to them, because they have provided a safe space for you to walk on, and you decided to go off. So that's your problem now. It's civil disobedience, right? You find them around highways, motorways, because cars tend to run too fast. Bicycles, motorcycles, tricycles, quad cycles, or you understand? They are not, and mopeds, they are not allowed on highways. So they will definitely always create a path for them to travel safely. This is now when these signs come. Mandatory route for cyclists. Mandatory left turn. Meaning, it doesn't mean that there's no right turn and there's no way through. They are telling you that you must proceed in this direction. You easily find them around roundabouts, right? We talked about roundabouts and their directions also. When you get to the roundabout itself, you see one of these standing there telling you you must proceed only in this direction. You can never go this way. Yes, you see them in roundabouts. They are always present. From the time you are coming, standing there and pointing, this roundabout can only go this way. You cannot come this way. Not so. So you can also come at a place where the road divides into two, and you see one standing there telling you you can only go this way. And if you disobey, probably when going this way, you will meet what? Oncoming traffic. Are we cool on that now? So you have mandatory routes for pedestrians, mandatory routes for cars, but all is just about what? Must do. Then we have now when it turns black and white. This is what? They say national speed limit. But the right word is what? End of all prohibitions. It ends prohibition. Specifically so. Right? So if this, you see this, whatever you made in front has been cancelled. Are we there? For example, we have what? No overtaking. Right? Meaning that you cannot overtake. But now, when the no overtaking zone is done, what they're going to do is draw the same sign in black and white, not so, with a line across, telling you that that restriction for no overtaking is over, has been cancelled. You can overtake at that point. Same thing as if you have a restriction for let's say we have 80 here, or let's say 30, not so. When the 30 kilometers zone is done, that they want to cancel it, you will see the same 30 in black and white with a band across, telling you that that restriction for 30 is done. Are we there? So this is end of all restriction. It's what ends the restrictions. Not so. And to end these other restrictions as well, this color stays blue, not so, and then a red band crosses across. It will not turn black and white. They will simply just keep the same sign and then cross a red band across, telling you that that restriction or that obligation is over. Does it make any sense? As for our squares, they are mainly information.